Hey, have you been overspending with your service? You really need to take a look at this video to show you how to save big time.
Hi, push button income. Do this once and earn 10,000 a month forever. In 60 seconds, you can build your own profit-producing website. How would you like to work 5 minutes a day and earn 6 figures a year? We've all heard claims like this, haven't we? You've probably heard some today. You'll probably hear some more in the next hour, the next video you watch, in fact. And I think deep down we all know that they are complete nonsense, but we want to believe them because they provide an easy fix to whatever situation we happen to be in. But the simple truth is that there is no such thing as a free lunch, even in the online world. Yes, the internet has opened up opportunities for everyone. Anyone, wherever they are in the world, can earn a full-time income from working online. But you do have to work for it, like I did. Just over a year ago, in 2018 in fact, my affiliate marketing earnings for the whole year were a big fat zero. Since then, things have improved because I've been working hard and I've been following tried and tested proven methods, and I now enjoy the figures that you can see further down this page, which is an income approaching 15,000 US dollars a month. Now I've done that in just over a year, and that means that you can too. Does it mean that your success is guaranteed then? No, of course it doesn't, because I don't know what your work rate is going to be like, whether you're going to follow the steps in my program and whether you're going to work as hard as I did. But if you want to, it's all there for you. I was able to fire my boss after 4 months last year. The 1st of April 2019, in fact, was my last working day in the office. It sounds like an April Fool's trick, but for me, it was financial freedom. And from then, I haven't looked back. My income's been rising month after month, and now it has reached the heady heights of 15k a month. Now, I work hard for my success, but I'm also determined to help others to succeed. If you want to know the exact steps that I follow on a daily basis to achieve these sorts of results, then Cougar Commissions is for you. Inside this product, for the first time ever, I'm going to lay bare my entire daily routine. I'm going to show you absolutely everything that I do, and I'm going to break it down into a series of easy to follow steps. So whether you're an experienced marketer that's hit a brick wall, whether you're a mid-level marketer that wants to scale your results up, or if you're a brand newbie that just wants to know how this whole thing works, then Cougar Commissions could be your breakthrough project. I'm going to show you everything I do. You will see a list down below of some of the things that you get with this product, but they will include showing you how to guarantee getting approval for your offers, how to choose the best offers to promote, what about reviews, how to put them together, what happens if you're afraid of going on camera, how to get traffic, free traffic, even if you've got no list. If you do have a list, how to email to that list. In fact, everything that you could possibly need to succeed online in affiliate marketing, laid bare by me for the very first time ever that I've revealed this. So I'm giving it to you for a very cheap one-off price if you pick it up during the launch period, because I believe in rewarding action takers. So if you want to emulate the success that I've had, then don't delay, because this product is going to go up. If you're the sort of person that delays making a decision on this, then you're probably not going to be the sort of person that will succeed online. That's why I'm going to be putting this up substantially once the launch period ends. So the first thing that you need to prove to me is that you're going to take advantage of my generosity and show me that you're an action taker. Then after that, I will see you on the inside with the full training that can make you go from 0 to 15k in a year, just like I did. Don't miss this opportunity to get Cougar Commissions for a one-off period at this very low rate. Thanks and have a great day, and I'll see you inside in the members area.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.